Hello, we are case engineers. In this troubling time of COVID 19, we thought about how we can help the country. We have developed an indigenous ventilator which meets international quality standards. Presenting Sevak. Presenting Sevak, Simplified Emergency Ventilator based on Ambu Kit. Sevak is completely designed and made in India by KS engineers. The development of Sevak started in April 2020 when COVID-19 cases started escalating in India. After 4 months of R&D and multiple iterations, we present our solution in the form of a high-performance, optimized cost ventilator which is based upon tried and tested Ambu technology. To make Sevak a reality, a strong interdisciplinary team came together. The core team collaborated with experts from all across the globe to create this ventilator. Sevak is built upon three pillars. As ventilators are critical medical devices, a huge responsibility was taken right from the design phase. During the build and test phase, we have ensured that the product meets the highest quality standards. To scale up the production in COVID times, we have mastered scalable design, in-house manufacturing, and domestic sourcing of all the components of Sevak.
Ventilators are life-saving devices, so we laid out a few basic rules for us to adhere to in this design. Firstly, we need precise breath control, and that is delivering the right amount of air, the right speed, and at the right time. Theoretically, this would work with a sedated patient. However, for someone who's conscious, we need to be able to do this in harmony with the person's breathing cycle, and that means we have to sense the person's intent to inhale or exhale. COVID-19 presents a few additional requirements. Firstly, the lungs have to always remain inflated. This is called PEEP. Secondly, the lungs should never be overinflated to prevent injury. And thirdly, the ventilator circuit needs to be isolated to minimize exposure for healthcare workers. And finally, there are very strict requirements for fail-safe operations, robust monitoring, and alarms.
To meet these requirements, we have designed a ventilator with a strong core functionality. Many innovations were done across the board to improve the scalability and to optimize costs. Let us start with breath control. We chose easily available Ambu bags as the foundation of Sevak. Sevak has stepper motor with encoders to ensure that the Ambu bag can deliver precise breath to the patient. There are various parameters such as tidal volume, breath frequency, and I/E ratio which can be easily adjusted in the UI. During operation, Sevak will be pressing the Ambu bag continuously, and we had to make this sustainable. We have designed a mechanical arm with curved fingers to gently transfer the motor top to the Ambu bag. The Ambu bag is also surrounded by support from all the sides. This two-part approach increases the longevity and reliability of Sevak. To add intelligence for breath control for non-sedated patients, we have added a high-quality pressure sensor. By detecting pressure continuously, Sevak can tell when a patient is trying to inhale and assist them at the right time.
To make Sevak suitable for COVID patients, we had to add a few extras. For instance, we used the readily available PEEP valve to make sure that the lung does not completely deflate during the exhalation cycle. To prevent overinflation of the lungs, a flow sensor is commonly used. However, as this was prohibitively expensive, we devised an effective solution using 3D printed parts and custom electronics. To isolate Sevak from medical staff, we have used easily sourced filters in the ventilator circuit.
The brain of Sevak is based upon a stable Arduino ecosystem. We programmed Sevak as a state machine, and this type of programming ensures that Sevak functions properly during all scenarios and settings. Alarms and monitoring is another area where we have used innovative solutions to optimize costs. Traditional ventilators come with expensive screens and monitoring systems that are not part of the core functionality of delivering air reliably to the patient. We got rid of all that and have a basic LCD display to show the parameters which actually matter. Sevak also has alarms to alert the medical staff whenever the patient needs any attention.
We have completed the design of Sevak. To truly help the country, we have to scale up quickly. We have taken many considerations to achieve this goal. Sevak is designed for manufacturability. We have designed the PCB in-house and optimized the assembly process to achieve Six Sigma accuracy. We have mastered traditional manufacturing processes such as milling, lathe, surface grinding, drill, and cutting. We have also explored new age manufacturing methods such as 3D printing, laser cutting, and CNC. We have a good network of partners with multiple local vendors for each part of Saver. We have a manufacturable design, strong in-house manufacturing capability, and a reliable vendor support network. We are ready for scale. Right now, we are under the process of medical certification and testing. For pre-orders and distribution inquiries, feel free to contact us.